doing a video, and this is a video about one common problem. This is probably only one problem that some people run into, is when you click. So I did it's kind of a weird one, but a friend of mine wants me to make this. I don't really know what it means, but probably something about being drunk. But I choose my tool right here, 1/4 inch. I don't know if you can see that, 1/4 inch square end mill, and nothing really more important here. Just to show you that this is a 1/4 inch end mill. So we're gonna do this OK. So we're gonna click OK, and what it's gonna do is, I already did this. It's actually going to see, it's scanning right now. See that little round thing there? So it's gonna be a warning. Wait till it gets done here. A warning saying that it's no tool path selected. So yeah, so we're gonna here you're gonna see it says empty tool path. So this is the reason right here. I already figured this out, but I just want to review it. So we're gonna click edit. So you go on there, right click it, go to edit, right up there, edit, and then a bar will show up over here. And the problem is, is that this tool is basically too large to cut these letters. And then also it probably, running into each other, like this might be too close and running into the other letter. There's just, the tool can't do its job because the letters are too small. And the cutter is too big. So anyway, so what you got to do is you got to choose a smaller tool, or you can make your letters bigger. Usually you can go with a smaller tool, and that fixes it. And so we're going to go to select, and up here I'm going to just select a 1/8 inch cutter, which is half the size of 1/4 inch. So you go select, and then we're going to click OK, and you'll see what happens now. So it's going to start making a tool path. You can see it's doing its thing. It's doing the spinning wheel right there. So it's selecting a tool path, and you'll see that this thing is going to solve most of the problem, but there is still an issue. You can see that most of it's green, and the tool is still too large, but at least there is no tool path selection error. So anyway, hopefully this helps out people. So what I'm going to do is, I'm probably going to go back into design, and I'm going to make these letters bigger, or you can choose a larger font. I'm probably going to just blow it up bigger so this tool can do its job. So anyway, hopefully that helps people out. I'm just learning Fusion 360 myself, and I know I'm basically probably scratching the surface on this, but this hopefully helps somebody out.